everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's kitchen. Today I'm gonna come show you how to make sukiyaki sauce. Sukiyaki sauce is kind of like the sauce for like eat with the vegetable or the soup. You can do so many things with it. Yes, so many things with it. And my favorite, I like to eat with vegetable, okay? And then come look at my ingredient. Look like we have so many stuff, but yes, we don't cook this every day, so you have to do like once a month or make this for the gift for your friend and family, okay? So we're gonna start with vegetable oil and dry shallot. Use this can shallot and dry them. And this is let me see here. This is soybean or called yi, okay? So you know, if you see the red one like this in the grocery, grab more than 1 or 2 bottle and save for later because I have hard time find them, okay? And then I use this product here, sesame seed. I roast them, okay, with the slow heat and make sure it don't turn too brown, okay? This gonna smell like burn. So this is kind of like yellow color, golden yellow color. That's perfect. And then here I have a peanut, roast peanut. And this is very good, just how you want, kind of like also golden yellow color also. And then you're gonna have a sugar and chicken flavor here, okay? And then this right here, and I know a lot of people would use like homemade, like back home to Laos, and we use the dry shrimp like this to make the sukiyaki sauce, right? But over here, I love to use this product only. But this is for like family use, so I use this. See how you open up? They have all the seasoning in here too, okay? It's shrimp flavor. So I am not gonna use this for today, okay? Okay. And then we have a chili pepper. So I blend them already. Just blend them. And I use the chili pepper like that and just blend them real good. Make very fine like this, okay? Now, I also have the garlic, crispy garlic. If you go follow my YouTube, you're gonna see some garlic that I already made, okay? And also the chili pepper, I have that also like that, okay? It's, you know, garlic oil and chili pepper. And now, I'm gonna start with the coconut milk, like that. Okay, now meanwhile I'm gonna go ahead deep fry this and blend everything together, you know, like each stuff first, okay? Blend in and then you follow me how to put the stuff together, okay? Okay, I think my oil is already hot, and then let's see, yes, it's ready. And I go ahead put all my shallot in. Okay, just be careful, make sure it's not burned, okay? You wanna have to looking for like crispy and kind of like golden color, okay? Okay, see, that's perfect right there, and I'm finished with it, okay? And you just let the set on the side until all the oil is drained out really good, so that way it's kind of keep a crispy. When you blend it, it's easier, okay? See? Okay, after I finish my shallot right here, see how like I kind of like, you know, let it set and they dry, they crispy already, and I save some oil. This is from shallot oil, and I'm gonna go ahead heat this oil. When you put the oil in there, kind of like, you know, not too hot, more like medium heat, okay? Then I can lift up a little bit. I think I feel pretty hot. So I'm gonna pour all my powdered pepper in. all of it. So I kind of like let my pepper cook a little bit. Just stir them, make it move pretty quick, okay? So that way they cook nice and even. Okay, see that look like it's ready, and I'm gonna add some more oil. This is still left over. This is shallot oil also. It's left over. What I do, I pour it in. This one kind of like warm. What I do, I kind of like stop my heat right away. So that way it stop the heat. That way it don't make it overcook or burn. Okay, you don't want to smell the pepper burn because it smells very bad if they burn. Okay, now see, I see kind of like watch it. And I have see that bubbling coming up like that, like kind of like bubble, and then I go ahead stop, pull away from the heat right away. Okay, remember how I told you earlier that I have this one is a garlic oil, and this one is shallot oil with chili pepper in it. And I already showed you the process how to do this one, and this is the one that I'm going to use for my sukiyaki sauce today. Okay. And now we're going to go ahead and start processing our stuff. I'm going to use the coconut oil first. First of all, let me open it. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put the vegetable oil in. Coconut milk. I'm going to use like a half can first, and this one I'm going to kind of like use it for later, okay? Add in when it feels kind of like dry. So meanwhile, we're gonna go ahead and do this. Okay, see what I do? I put like vegetable oil and coconut milk in until it looks like creamy. And now I'm gonna go ahead and put sesame in, blend it real good first and put it in. The reason I put this in first because this thing they have like natural oil. Okay, I put the whole thing because I like this. Wash my hand, no problem. I already washed my hand, guys. Wow, it smells so good. The coconut milk and sesame seed, that aroma, oh, it's amazing. And I put in the low heat right now. Make sure no stick at the bottom, okay? If you feel like it's too thick, they're too close to your bottom, like gonna burn, you stop the heat with your coconut milk every time, okay? And check the bottom part, the bottom of your pot, make sure it's no burn. Now I'm going to use the crispy garlic, blend them first. Okay, and this one is a garlic. Now I use the stick, is so much better than my finger, isn't it? Okay. check the bottom, make sure it's, if you have a non-stick pan, that's excellent. But this one I can use it because I get used to this kind of pot in my kitchen. One is Charlotte. Blend it real good and put it in. Go ahead, put peanut in. See, it's all my peanut, you know, everything, all the blending process is already finished, right? So they're already done. And I'm gonna go ahead use the last of my coconut milk in. And also put this chicken flavor. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and put all this in, and I know it's gonna be salty. I'm gonna put a little bit first, okay? And I'm gonna leave the juice. See how beautiful red color. That's what we're looking for. And this is a tofu, so it's easy to melting when it's cooked. See how I just press it down? Now go ahead and put the last of the juice in. Okay, see how it's beautiful color, but you know it's gonna take a while. And my this one is kind of like stick at the bottom. I add a little bit at the water at the bottom, and I'm gonna go ahead and transfer to different pot. Okay. Now found out I have this non-stick pan, so we'll see what happens. I have to end up change to the new pot, okay? So this one is gonna be so much better. Then I'm gonna go ahead and put my sugar in. Put sugar. The shrimp paste from the drawer. Smells so good. And then I use the chili pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and use about half cup first, okay? Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and put the second drawer of this one, shrimp paste. Oh, not a shrimp paste. I can talk today, guy. Just mix it well and let it slow cook. Okay, I'm gonna add the water a little bit, but I'm still gonna slow cook until the water dry out, okay? The reason I do that, I want all the product to melt in together real good, okay? That's why I put some water in there. And then I'm gonna add some more pepper. Just feel like it's probably not hot enough. I like it hot, so. So when the bottom of my pot it feel kind of like dry, I go ahead add the coconut little bit at a time, but I keep continue. Okay. When my pot is feel like dry at the bottom, I go ahead continue use the coconut milk, add on a little bit at a time, but continue doing this, okay? Okay, see how after I add coconut, they kind of like melting and make everything so beautiful, the color coming up. But yes, you're gonna see the white area like this, but don't worry about it. They all gonna blend in and after it's cooked for, you know, a while, okay? So you just have to kind of like sit by and keep stirring, okay? Okay. Okay, look at my sukiyaki sauce. Ooh, smells so good and it looks so good. See, now I'm gonna go ahead cut off the meat, the heat. Cut off my heat right here. Okay. And look at that. How beautiful. So good. But you know, like I do like I'm prepare my sauce for couple days before I have a dinner with sukiyaki, okay? Because the sauce is take a lot of work already. So I'm kind of like tired today. Anyway, so I'm gonna take a break, but look at that. Look at that sauce. Yummy! Yay! I'm finished. Yes, I'm so happy. Now I'm gonna have to call my family up, say, well, come over, bring the shrimp, seafood, vegetable, clear noodle, and set up the big table. Okay? Alright, well, you guys see you next time, okay? And try to make this. It look like it's lots of ingredients, look like it's hot, but basically the end of it, I make it happen. And it's finished. And it's so good. I wish you in my kitchen right now. That aroma is amazing. Okay, bye guys. See you next time. Lock on. Bye bye.